Welcome to a new episode of Academics Unplugged podcast, where we explore tips, strategies, and stories to help students thrive academically and beyond. I'm your host, Rishik, and today we are diving into a topic that is crucial for every student's success, that is, time management. Meet Rohit. Like many students, Rohit often finds themselves overwhelmed by the demands of school, work, and personal life. But with the right time management skills, students like Rohit has learned to conquer their schedules and achieve their goals. Today, we'll share some practical time management tips tailored specifically for students like Rohit. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Setting clear goals is very much important. It's essential to know what you want to achieve in both the short term and in the long term. Whether it's getting good grades, pursuing extracurricular activities, or maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Defining your goals will give you direction and motivation. Tip number 2. Prioritize tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are urgent, some are important, and some can wait. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to identify which tasks requires your immediate attention and which can be tackled later. This is how you can fix a specific time for each work and do it accordingly. Now the question arises, what is Eisenhower matrix? The Eisenhower matrix, also known as the Eisenhower box or urgent important matrix, is a powerful tool for time management and prioritization. It was popularized by Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States, who was known for his exceptional ability to make important decisions and manage his time effectively. The matrix helps individuals categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance, allowing them to focus on what truly matters and avoid getting overwhelmed by less significant activities. Tip number 3. Create a schedule. As we all know, you cannot recover the time you lost, so you have to accept that time is a finite resource, and we need to use it wisely, right? Whether you prefer a traditional planner or a digital calendar, make sure to block out specific time slots for studying, attending classes, working on assignments, relaxing, and doing something you love. Having a schedule will help you stay organized and make the most of your time. Tip number 4. Avoid procrastination. We have all been guilty of putting off tasks until the last minute, but procrastination only leads to stress and poor performance. Break tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Set deadlines for each part and hold yourself accountable. Remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you will finish. Tip number 5. Learn to say no. As a student, you'll encounter countless opportunities and obligations, but you can't do it all. Be selective about how you spend your time and prioritize activities that aligns with your goals and values. Don't be afraid to politely decline invitations or commitments that don't serve your best interests. And there you have it. 5 time management tips for student success. By setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, creating a schedule, avoiding procrastination, and learning to say no, you can take control of your time and achieve your goals. That's all for today in this episode of Academics Unplugged. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, remember, with the right time management skills, you can conquer anything that comes in your way. I'm Rishik signing off. Stay focused, stay motivated, and stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you succeed as a student.